Narendra Modi and LK Advani have just concluded their addresses at the Ram Leela Maidan. Joining us now, senior journalist and political analyst Hartosh Singh Bal, also our political editor Navika Kumar. Navika, if we can come to you first, a long speech there from Modi. He touched upon many points, a strong counter-offensive against the Congress. But interesting to note that he chose to end that entire address on that tea vendor note. Clearly, the BJP and Narendra Modi keen to put this forward as a dynasty versus the tea vendor kind of a contest.
That's right. In fact, if you look at the entire speech of Narendra Modi, there were two real parts to it. One was the political charge against the Congress party that he made. It was a direct attack at the dynasty. It was a direct attack at Rahul Gandhi, direct attack at Sonia Gandhi. He talked about the various acts that Rahul Gandhi has been talking about and said that there should be more action than acts. That was one part of the speech that he made. The other part of the speech was specifics on the national agenda. Specifics that you look at, whether it was a diamond corridor for bullet trains, whether it was a university for railway, whether it was really creation of the 5 T's. All of this was part of a national agenda that he was trying to outline. In fact, some people inside even said that it was like a budget speech where he was giving the vision for India, clearly saying the specifics that the BJP would bring to the table. Now that is now the strategy of the BJP. Not just sell a dream, not just sell a thought, as Rahul Gandhi said that the Congress is a thought, it's a soch. He completely demolished that idea, and he said that the BJP thinks and talks about specifics, and he spoke about river linking, about bringing back black money. So all of that was part of the national agenda that Modi outlined. Of course, there was the political attack on Congress party, but more than that was the national agenda that Modi outlined.
Yes, absolutely. A detailed sort of roadmap for, BJP's vision for India being spelled out there by Narendra Modi. We'll get Hartosh in on that. But first, let's listen in to that political countercharge, that political offensive that Narendra Modi came out with.
देश के कांग्रेस के कार्यकर्ता बड़ी आशा के साथ दिल्ली आए थे। उनको बताया गया था कि 17 तारीख को प्रधानमंत्री पद के लिए उम्मीदवार की घोषणा की जाएगी। बड़ी आशा और उमंग के साथ वो प्रधानमंत्री पद के उम्मीदवार की सौगात लेकर के जाने के लिए लालायित थे। और जैसा हमारे अरुण जेटली जी ने कहा कि देश भर के कांग्रेस कार्यकर्ता आए थे तो प्रधानमंत्री लेने के लिए, लेकिन वापस गए गैस के 3 बॉटल लेकर के। चुनाव से भागने के उनके कई कारण हो सकते हैं, सबने अपने अपने तरीके से कहा है, लेकिन मुझे एक मानवीय कारण नजर आ रहा है। राजनीतिक कारण तो है ही है, लेकिन एक मानवीय कारण नजर आ रहा है। वो मानवीय कारण यह है, जब पराजय बिल्कुल निश्चित दिख रहा है, विनाश सामने नजर आ रहा है, तो क्या कोई मां अपने बेटे को बलि चढ़ाने के लिए तैयार होती है क्या? कौन मां अपने बेटे को बलि चढ़ाएगी राजनीति के राह पर? और इसलिए एक मां का मन आखिरकार यही निर्णय कर गया, नहीं, मेरे बेटे को बचाओ।